Hi, it's Angela with The Habitual Creator, where we share all things creative. This is my very first in-person vlog. I've posted a couple of random videos over the years, but really want to get serious about vlogging and sharing the things that I love about being creative. And so I would love it if you would like this video, if you would subscribe, and if you would share. That'll be my ask in every video as we continue to try to grow our audience. A little bit about me: I'm a mom and I'm a wife. I've got bigs and littles, so some of my kids are adults, and then another set of my kids are still in school. I also work full-time. I have a demanding job where I work more than 50 hours a week. But one of the things that I love to do when I come home is just to be creative, to unplug and really think about all of the ways I can use the things that I've learned over the years. And so I'm hopeful with this channel to be able to share some of those things with you, to be able to teach you what I know, to be able to learn from you. So I would love it if down in the comments, you'll leave me some ideas about what you want to see, what you want to do. I enjoy sewing, I enjoy cooking and gardening. I enjoy working with crickets. I've got a couple of them back behind me. I enjoy coloring. You can also see my alcohol markers back there. My sewing machine is right there, and you'll see a host of sewing books and crafting books right behind me. And so I really do have a love of all things creative. And so this is a super short video. I plan to follow up another one with a recent craft that I just did, but I wanted to come on and say hi, and hopefully we'll have lots more videos and lots more time to be able to share together over the years. So again, I'm Angela with The Habitual Creator, and again, I hope you like this video, subscribe, and share. Toodles.